G'day friends, today we're going to personalize what Adobe called the identity plate in Lightroom. The identity plate is this text up here. So what we do in either the library module or the develop module, come down here and go to identity plate setup. Click on that and you can of course type in anything you like and click OK and it will appear up there. What you can also do is actually add, wrong one. You can actually add a graphic. Now, this is the bit that took me a while. And it took me a while because I had to size the graphic just right. Because if you have one that's 300 pixels wide, like this perhaps, looks good in there. And it's too big up there. See, the bottom of the Y is cut off and the bottom of all the words are cut off. So if I go and locate another file, what would be right? I think I came up with that the 250 pixels wide is just fine because it doesn't cut anything off. So there you have, changing the identity plate in Lightroom. And don't forget, if you'd like me to be a photographer or to edit your photos, just send us a message. Thank you.